Have you ever walked into a restaurant that was full of Spanish speakers and then you realized that you had no idea how to actually order food in Spanish? Well, let's go over some very useful Spanish phrases that are going to help you during these stressful moments. One of the first things that you may hear after hola y cómo estás is para comer aquí. Para comer aquí roughly translates to for here. And then another question you could be asked is para llevar, which means to go. And then usually you will hear both of these together. So you will hear para comer aquí o para llevar. So for here or to go. So just keep that in mind. Maybe you are coming into this restaurant with a reservation. So if you did, you would say tengo una reservación. Tengo una reservación means I have a reservation. So if you didn't already have a reservation, then you would want to ask, ¿Tiene mesas disponibles? ¿Tiene mesas disponibles means do you have available tables? Then you may be asked how many people that you are with. So you will respond with una mesa para. Una mesa para means a table for. So to finish this, you can say una mesa para dos. So one table for two. ¿Puedo ver el menú? Puedo ver el menú means can I see the menu? Puedo ver el menú. And you see here we have the V or the B in Espanol. Then we also have the accent mark over the U or the U in Spanish. If I've never been to this restaurant before, or maybe I just want the recommendation of the waiter or waitress, I'm going to ask, ¿Qué me recomienda? ¿Qué me recomienda means what do you recommend? I also love to ask this question because usually it starts a really good conversation. You're looking at the menu and then you see this little image of a chile right next to this one plate that you are thinking of getting. So maybe you want to ask, ¿Es picante? ¿Es picante means is it spicy? This question is going to be very helpful for you because some food in some speaking Spanish countries are very spicy. So your waiter or mesero or waitress, mesera, comes to the table and asks, ¿Están listos? You can respond with no estoy listo or no estoy lista, so femenina. And that means I'm not ready. When I'm at Mexican restaurants, I'm always saying no estoy listo because there are so many food items on the menu. An alternative to saying no estoy listo or lista es necesito más tiempo. Necesito más tiempo means I need more time. Necesito más tiempo. Con. Con means with. Now this is very helpful for when you have picked a plate and you're starting to get more specific with what you actually want. For example, you can say con queso, so with cheese, or you can say con leche, with milk, or you can say con verduras, sin. Sin means without, so be careful here that you don't say sin, but we're saying sin. So again, we can say sin queso, so without queso, or sin leche, without milk. ¿Me puede traer? Me puede traer means can you bring me? And we can end this sentence with whatever we would like the waitress or waiter to bring to us. So, me puede traer agua? And then you can always end this with por favor, please. Me puede traer más servilletas? Me puede traer más salsa? Quiero. Quiero means I want. So you can say something like yo quiero un taco de pollo. So I want a chicken taco. Para mí. Para mí means for me. Para mí. So para mí agua. Para mí una horchata. Or para mí unos dos tacos de pollo. Que lleva el plato. Que lleva el plato means what is in this dish. While you are eating, your waiter or waitress may come up to you and ask you, ¿Todo está bien? Todo está bien means is everything good? And then you can respond to this by saying, sí, todo está bien. Or todo está rica también. You can say like, oh, everything is rich or delicious. Todo está deliciosa. You have various ways that you can respond to a question like that. ¿Dónde puedo pagar? So I added this one here because sometimes I know I can pay right at the table, or I can go up to a register and pay there. Estoy lleno. Estoy lleno means I'm full. Estoy lleno. La cuenta, por favor. La cuenta, por favor means the check, please. La cuenta, por favor. I hope these phrases will help you feel more confident the next time that you order food in Spanish. Don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section below how many new phrases did you learn.